Solving radical expressions. Welcome to MathJip. Today's question 22 by 7 root 147 plus 7 root 75 minus 9 root 27 minus root 12. Look, these types of math we have to find out a common things. How? Look, this is 22 by 7 and this 147 we have to find out have any perfect square has or not. How? 147 we can make 49 times 3, right? So we can write against this 147 49 times 3. This 49 is a perfect square. Why we need this one? We will discuss later. Next, plus 7 against 75 we can write 25 times 3. This is 25 is a perfect square. Minus 9, then 27, this one we can write 9 times 3. 9 is a perfect square. Minus this is 12, so we can write 4 times 3. Now surprising matter is here is 3, here is 3, here is 3 and here is 3. So 3 is a common thing. Now look, this is 22 by 7. 49, look, 49 times 3 root over, this one we can write a root 49 times root 3, right? So similar thing, against root 49 we can write here 7 and this is root 3 plus this is 7 times root 25 means 5 and here is root 3 minus 9 times root 9 means 3 and here is root 3 minus root 4 means 2 and here is root 3. So everywhere is a root 3, root 3, root 3 and root 3. Now this is 22 by 7 times 7, so 7 and 7 we can divide and it will become 1. So 1 times 22 is a 22. This is a root 3 plus 7 times 5 is a 35. So root 3 minus 9 times 3 is a 27 and also root 3 minus 2 root 3. Now look, here is 22 root 3 and here is 35 root 3. So we can write 57 root 3 minus here is 27 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. So we can write minus 29 root 3. So it's a normal subtraction. 57 minus 29 is a 28 and root 3. This is our answer. Very simple. But these kinds of radical expressions is very important for examination. So don't neglect this one. Once you face these kinds of math, any social media, any newspaper or any Olympiad magazine, you should try to solve yourself. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel because from MathJip you will get lots of questions from this channel. And also please share with your friends. Thank you.